one of my sons was at practice and one of his buddies was messing around. He kind of chopped him and he broke his stick. I could have there was a lot of things going through my mind at that moment, especially since I was coaching on the ice. What's going on?
Well, you can listen to the parents around the glass.
Oh yeah.
There's I can't tell you how many games I've been at the last couple of years where you're watching a game and a stick breaks and somebody says, "Oh, there's $300 or $400."
Yeah.
And there's kind of a collective groan or sigh amongst the parents of, "Oh my gosh, I'm glad it's not my kid that broke his stick."